Hello viewers, I'm fixing the charging system of this keypad phone. Okay, so this keypad phone, as you can see, this is it. This is the phone. And I was moving the charging system. I had some problem. I was in a rush, so this is it. So I did it hurriedly and the thing removed. So unfortunately all the connections here have removed. So this is it. Okay, so this is it. So how do I find my positive and my negative once again? My positive and negative charge, which helps the phone to charge. Okay, so here, if I turn the charging system this way, okay, my positive charge is here. It's at this side. My negative charge can be found anywhere around here. So be it here or here or here or here. Okay, this side or here. All these are negative charges. All these are negative charges. So now that I know that around every part of the phone, I mean the main board, the sides are for negative, I get a black wire. I'll represent it with a negative connection here. So I'm going to do some soldering here. So this is my negative. Okay. So with the help of a soldering iron. Alright, so you can see that is my negative right there. I've connected my negative. Okay, so how do I find the positive? You can see that because all these sides are negative, I mean all these sides are negative, all these sides are negative, so I've got the negative here. How do I get the positive? So you can see that among the connections there is some one thing, I mean one connection which is different from the others. So this one, this little thing here, is the main positive connection. So that is the positive there. So this is the positive. I mean, when you remove the thing and everything peels off, and you are not able to find where the positive charge is. This is the positive. I mean, plus voltage. This is minus voltage. So this is the plus volt. Okay, right. This now. So I'll connect a wire, red. Okay, to the positive. Okay, all right. So let me look for the positive. I have found it. So this is the positive, and I'll connect this wire to the positive. Okay, so the positive, I'll connect it to the positive. Okay, please make sure it doesn't touch any negative connection, because if it touches, it won't work. So now I have my positive and I have my negative as well. Okay, so this is my positive and this is my negative. Okay, so I'm going to check something with the help of this multimeter. Okay, let's check if our connection is right. When you have your battery connected to your phone, the battery, you can see this is what the positive, okay, and this is the negative. So right here like this, positive, negative. So that's it. So on the multimeter as well, positive represents red, positive is represented by red. Okay, all right. So positive is represented by the red and negative is represented by the black. So let me connect them. Connect everything. Please give me some time to do this. I'm taking the video by myself, so it's quite complex here. Okay, so negative to negative. Negative. Okay. Negative. Alright. I can just get it from here. Negative. Alright. Negative. So that negative on this. Negative. Then positive to positive. So positive. As you can see, this is the connection. Positive to negative. So this is the. So you can see it's not reading anything here because there is no voltage in the phone. Okay. So, alright. Now, this is what I'm going to do. Because I now have my positive charge, the one to the phone here and the negative here. Let me check them if current will really go through the phone, through the charging system into the main phone. Okay, so this is what I will be using for my practice.
Welcome to Triple Power World.
This is what I'll be using for my practice.
Bluetooth mode.
I have this. So I'll be connecting it to the extension. So I have done that. So at this side, you can see at this side, I take the red from the charger as positive. Now I'll take any other color as negative. So I'll connect the red to the positive represented by another red here. I'll connect the black to the negative represented here. I'm done. How do we see here? Positive to the positive, negative to the negative. Okay, to the extension and this.